Hello friends, I welcome you all to this online course of AMVI Mains Examination, a complete guide. So in last lecture we have started with module number 3 of section A, that is theory of machines. We have discussed different points like what is theory of machines, then its classification, kinematics tree, types of links and different types of constraint motion. So let us continue. Now next is classification of kinematic pairs. So there are three different categories based on which this classification is done. So first is type of relative motion between the elements. So हमें पता है काइनेमेटिक पेयर्स में दो काइनेमेटिक लिंक्स ज्वाइन किए हैं, तो उनके बीच में कौन से टाइप का रिलेटिव मोशन प्रेजेंट है. बेस्ड ऑन दैट दिस इज क्लासिफिकेशन. सो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ रिलेटिव मोशंस वी आर नोइंग. कौन कौन से है? स्लाइडिंग, टर्निंग, रोलिंग, स्क्रू एंड स्पेरिकल. सो दीज आर 5 डिफरेंट टाइप्स मोशन ऑफ वन एलिमेंट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू अदर. अगर पहला देखेंगे हम स्लाइडिंग पेयर, मिस वन लिंक इज स्लाइडिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू अदर. उसके एग्जांपल्स देखेंगे तो पिस्टन एंड सिलेंडर, वेयर पिस्टन सिलेंडर के अंदर स्लाइड हो रहा है, सो इट बिकम स्लाइडिंग पेयर. अगेन टेल स्टॉक व्हिच इज स्लाइडिंग ऑन द लेग बेड, राइट. सो दीज आर डिफरेंट स्लाइडिंग पेयर्स. Second is turning pair, means one link is turning with respect to others, like crankshaft है in journal bearing. Then lathe spindle which is turning in the headstock. Okay, so third is rolling pair, ball and roller bearing, best example of it, where balls are rolling inside the bearing. Next is screw which is also called as helical pair. So जो भी स्क्रू वाले पार्ट है, लाइक लीड स्क्रू, नट एंड बोल्ट्स, ऑल दिस फॉर्म्स ए स्क्रू पेयर. देन नेक्स्ट इज स्पेरिकल पेयर. इसका बेस्ट एग्जांपल हमें पता है बॉल एंड सॉकेट जॉइंट विच इज इन आवर शोल्डर. सो दैट इज द स्पेरिकल पेयर. अगेन कार मिरर, पेन स्टैंड which we can rotate in any direction. So that is spherical pair. Second classification है based on type of contact between the elements. So दो टाइप के कॉन्टैक्ट है, एक है सरफेस कॉन्टैक्ट, दूसरा है लाइन और पॉइंट कॉन्टैक्ट. सो सरफेस कॉन्टैक्ट जिसका है उसे हम कहेंगे लोअर पेयर, और जहां पे लाइन और पॉइंट कॉन्टैक्ट है उसे कहेंगे हायर पेयर. सो एग्जांपल्स ऑफ लोअर पेयर क्या रहेंगे? All sliding pairs. Take example of piston cylinder, tailstock and lathe bed. There is a surface contact. So these are lower pairs. See, all turning pairs and screw pairs are also lower pair as there is a surface contact. Then higher pair where line or point contact is there, like tooth gearings, belt and rope drive, ball and roller bearing, cam and follower. So these are different examples where there is a point or a line contact. And third classification is based on mechanical arrangement between the links. अगर दो links mechanically एक दूसरे को attach है, then it becomes a self closed pair. So example is all lower pairs. And if that two links are not held mechanically but held by some external force, then it becomes a force closed pair, like cam and spring follower, where this cam and follower are kept in contact by spring force. So इस क्लासिफिकेशन पे नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर पॉसिबल. एग्जांपल आपको दिया जाएगा और ऑप्शंस में रहेगा which type of pair, मीन्स बॉल एंड रोलर बियरिंग फॉर्म्स, और नीचे ऑप्शन दिए जाएंगे. अगेन इफ टू गियर्स आर मेश्ड then which type of contact it forms, ऑप्शंस रहेंगे surface contact, line contact, none of the above, both of the above. then उसके इसके उल्टा पूछा जाएगा which of the following are spherical pairs, और नीचे एग्जांपल दिए जाएंगे like ball and socket, car mirror, piston and cylinder, both A and B. so either एग्जांपल दिया जाएगा क्वेश्चन में और ऑप्शंस में टाइप ऑफ पेयर रहेंगे, और क्वेश्चन में पेयर दिया जाएगा और ऑप्शंस में इसके एग्जाम्पल रहेंगे. ओके, so next is types of link. So in previous lecture we have seen one of the classification of links which was based on its nature. Now here is the classification based on number of nodes. So it is classified as binary link, ternary link and quaternary link. Just see here picture of binary links. It is written that link with two nodes. So here you can observe, यहाँ पे एक लिंक है, वहां पे दो ऐसे पॉइंट है जो सर्कल से मार्क किए जहां आप दूसरे लिंक्स अटैच कर सकते हो. Yes, it is a link with two nodes. That's why it is a binary link. Now see ternary link, link with three nodes. You can observe this triangular link where three circles are shown, means three locations are present where other links can be attached. थर्ड है quaternary link. So link with four nodes. So इस लिंक में देख सकते हैं आप 4 nodes are open or 4 nodes are available to attach with other links. Here one question comes to your mind that why ternary link is triangular and quaternary link is rectangular. So हर triangular link ternary नहीं होती है और हर rectangular link quaternary link नहीं होती है. देखो यहाँ पे ये जो बाइनरी लिंक दिख रहा है इसके बीच में अगर और एक नोड क्रिएट किया जाएगा तो दिस बिकम्स अ टर्नरी लिंक, और अगर यहाँ पे आप दो नोड्स क्रिएट करते हो देन इट बिकम्स अ क्वाटर्नरी लिंक. सो इट इज नॉट बेस्ड ऑन द शेप ऑफ द लिंक, इट इज बेस्ड ऑन नंबर ऑफ नोड्स प्रेजेंट ऑन गिवन लिंक. ओके, सो इस पे एमसीक्यूज कैसे रहेंगे देखो. सो क्वेश्चन इज आइडेंटिफाई टाइप ऑफ लिंक्स इन गिवन मैकेनिज्म. सो यहाँ पे दो टाइप के एमसीक्यूज रहेंगे. सो फर्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन ऐसा रहेगा, आइडेंटिफाई नंबर ऑफ बाइनरी लिंक्स इन गिवन मैकेनिज्म. आपको मैकेनिज्म दिया जाएगा, और आइडेंटिफाई नंबर ऑफ टर्नरी लिंक्स और आइडेंटिफाई नंबर ऑफ क्वाटर्नरी लिंक्स इन गिवन मैकेनिज्म. ये हो गया फर्स्ट टाइप. और सेकेंड टाइप ए रहेगा कि आपको लिंक नंबर दिया जाएगा. सो एग्जाम्पल इन अ गिवन मैकेनिज्म लिंक नंबर 6 इज, और ऑप्शंस रहेंगे बाइनरी लिंक, टर्नरी लिंक और क्वाटर्नरी लिंक. सो दो टाइप के एग्जाम्पल रहेंगे. सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई नंबर ऑफ बाइनरी, टर्नरी एंड क्वाटर्नरी. सो फर्स्ट फाइंड द लिंक्स which are having two nodes. So starting with this point, so link number 2 is having two nodes, link number 3 having two nodes, link number 5 also having two nodes, link number 4 is also having two nodes, link number 6 is having 3 nodes, 7 having 2, 8 having 2, 1 is having 4 nodes. So एक नोड पे कितने लिंक अटैच किए हैं that is not important here, keep in mind. So यहाँ पे कितने बाइनरी लिंक्स है. So link number 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. So total 6 links are binary links. Again ternary link, there is only one, that is 6 number link is ternary link, and quaternary is link number 1 which is having 4 nodes. I think it is clear. So now next is types of joints. So it is also classified as binary joint, ternary joint and quaternary joint. So this classification is based on number of links joined at a single location. मीन्स एक नोड पे कितने लिंक्स ज्वाइन किए हैं, बेस्ड ऑन दैट दिस क्लासिफिकेशन इज देयर. अगर एक पॉइंट पे और एक कनेक्शन पे दो लिंक्स ज्वाइन है तो दैट बिकम्स अ बाइनरी जॉइंट. अगर 3 है तो टर्नरी, 4 है तो क्वाटर्नरी. सी यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल दिया है. सो स्टार्ट विथ पॉइंट ए. सो एट पॉइंट ए और नोड ए हाउ मेनी लिंक्स आर ज्वाइंड. So total 3 links are joined, link number 1, 3 and 11. So it becomes a ternary joint. Then go to G point. Here 4 links are joined, link number 11, 10, 8, 7. So it becomes a quaternary joint. Again at E 3 links are there, so it is ternary. D, here only 2 links are joined, link number 5 and 4. So it becomes a binary joint. At B 3 are there, so it is ternary. C 4 are there, so it is quaternary. If 3 are there, so it becomes ternary. So इस पे MCQs पूछा जाएगा, ऐसा ही काइनेमेटिक चेन और मैकेनिज्म दिया जाएगा आपको, and question will be how many binary joints are present in given kinematic chain, or how many ternary joints are present, or how many quaternary joints are present. और specifically एक point दिया जाएगा, so in given kinematic chain G is, so नीचे दिया जाएगा binary joint, ternary joint, quaternary joint और none of the above. so यहाँ भी दो टाइप है एग्जाम्पल के. यहाँ पे और एक important point है, that is converting ternary and quaternary joint into binary joints, because to calculate degrees of freedom there we need number of binary joints in given mechanism. That's why we are interested in converting ternary quaternary into binary joints. So इसके ऊपर भी MCQs रहेगा. One ternary joint is equivalent to, ऑप्शंस रहेंगे 1 बाइनरी, 2 बाइनरी और 3 बाइनरी, और 1 क्वाटरनरी जॉइंट इज इक्विवेलेंट टू, ऑप्शंस रहेंगे 1 बाइनरी जॉइंट, 2 बाइनरी जॉइंट, 3 बाइनरी जॉइंट और नन ऑफ द अबव. यहाँ पे लिखा है 1 टर्नरी इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 2 बाइनरी and 1 quaternary is equal to 3 binary. So how it is calculated, let us see in this example. So let us consider point A as it is a ternary joint, and we know that binary means 2 links, and here in kinematics we are studying relative motion. So relative motion of preceding link with respect to succeeding link. So let us take point, consider point A, where let us consider that relative motion of 1 with respect to other joined links, means relative motion of 1 with respect to 11 and 3. So 1 with 11, that is one case, 1 with 3, that is another case. So these are two binary joints present here. So 1 ternary equivalent to 2 binary. Now let us consider any quaternary joint. Let us consider G. So relative motion of 11 with respect to other links which are attached at that point. So 11 with respect to 7, that is one case. 11 with respect to 8, that is another, is the second. 11 with respect to 10, that is third. So 1 quaternary is equal to 3 binary joints. So hope this is clear. Next is Klein's rule. So this rule is used to identify type of chain or type of kinematic chain. So two relations are, first is L is equal to 2p minus 4, and second is J is equal to 3L by 2 minus 2, where L is number of links in given kinematic chain, P is number of pairs in given chain, J is number of joints in given chain. And for these two relations, if LHS is greater than RHS, then it is called as locked chain. If LHS is equal to RHS, then it becomes a constrained kinematic chain. If LHS is less than RHS, then it becomes unconstrained chain. So let us see an example of this. First, 3 links are joined together. So here number of links are 3, number of pairs are 3 at A, B, C. Also number of joints are 3 at A, B, C. So if you will see this relation, L is 3 for this case, 2 into P is 3, so 6 minus 4, so RHS is 2, LHS is 3, so LHS greater than RHS in this case, so it is a locked chain. Also by looking towards this chain, you can say that there will not be any relative movement between any of the links, right? So it is a locked chain जहाँ पे कोई भी movement नहीं है. Now consider second example. 4 links are there, so L is 4, number of joints 4 A, B, C, D, number of pairs also 4 A, B, C, D. So L is 4, 2 into 4 minus 4, so 8 minus 4, 4 is equal to 4. So it is a constrained kinematic chain, and if you look towards this chain, you can say that there is a motion possible in this kinematic chain. Now see third case, 5 links are there, 5 joints and 5 pairs. So this equation becomes 5 is equal to 2 into 5 minus 4. So 5 RHS will be 6. So LHS less than RHS. So it is third type, that is unconstrained chain. So what is the difference between constrained and unconstrained chain? So see here, if in this kinematic chain, if we are giving input to link number 4, there is a definite motion of link number 3 and 2. But in unconstrained chain, if we give input to link number 5, so we cannot say or comment about position of link number 4, 3 and 2. That's why it is a unconstrained chain. So इस पे MCQs कैसे रहेंगे? आपको एक काइनेमेटिक चेन दिया जाएगा और क्वेश्चन विल बी लाइक दिस, और रादर आपको एक चेन दिया जाएगा और it will be asked to comment about the type of chain. So in that case you have to check LHS and RHS, then you can comment on this type of chain. और ऐसे भी पूछेंगे, in given equation L is equal to 2p minus 4, if LHS is less than RHS then it is, और options रहेंगे locked chain, constrained chain और unconstrained chain. और simply in given equation L is equal to 2p minus 4, what is L or what is P? Or in given equation J is equal to 3L by 2 minus 2, what is J, what is L? So such a MCQs will be there. Okay, hope it is clear. So hope you like this video. So if you like it, don't forget to share and subscribe it so that it can help to other students who are preparing for RTO AMVI mains examination. So thank you for watching this video.